This tutorial will guide you how to get mewatch on your smart TV. Now ensure that you follow the instructions very carefully. Now there are two ways. I'll show you all the methods. Now the easiest one, using your remote, just navigate to the browser. So here the browser, just click OK. Now once you open the browser, on the search bar here, just click on the search and then just type for mewatch. And then click enter to search. Now click on this link here which says www.mewatch.sg, which is Singaporean streaming service. So just navigate to this link and then click OK. As you can see, it has opened the mewatch website where you can stream for content and look for the live TV. That's how you can get mewatch on the smart TV. Now, alternatively, if your TV supports the App Store or the Google Play Store, you can just press the home button on your remote and then just go to the App Store. Inside the App Store, that's when you can search for the mewatch app. If it's available, then you can download the app. If it's not available, then you can just proceed by using only their website, using the steps to show you. Thank you so much for watching the video and see you next time.